First fish. Doing a good job, boys. This is what happens when you don't do proper maintenance.
Just skips across the look. Look.
Morning guys, today I'm on Fraser Island. I'm here with a group of mates and we're up here to chase a tailor. Weather's a little bit average today, but we'll see what we can come up with. Let's get into it. Piece of cake, bro. Piece of cake. Boys, and just doing a bit of drone fishing. Come on. Well, we're not doing too bloody good here. I've seen a big queenie smashing bait, but can't catch a damn thing. Well, we just fished for like 3 hours at the Sandy Cape. Didn't get one fish. I saw like a metre queenie, but do you think I could catch the damn thing? Oh, what a disappointment. Oh well, keep cracking on. Yeah, boys, I'm on the board. Bad little whiting. We weren't doing too well on the Sandy Cape, but the boys got some beach worms, and we just tried this little gutter here, and we managed to pull like 5 decent whiting out of it. So that's pretty sweet. Just keep going. No. We just smoked a V8 Land Cruiser, eh?
You smoked him,
Yeah, we both did. When they're on, they're on. It's a flying Tailor. Joey's on. Yep. There we go. Free. Woo! Oh, maybe it just moved.
Thanks, Dad.
All right. Looks like the Tailor are on. Yes, finally. Yes. Woo. First fish.
Nice fish.
Yeah. Just bleed him.
Bleeding, throw him in the bucket.
Yeah. Bucket of death. Just had to clean the truck in that freshwater creek there. Does the job of a undercarriage bath. Oh, what a sweet day. Yeah, boys, filleting the fish.
Big female here. Look at that,
That's a roe.
beautiful. People pay a lot of money for roe.
Yeah.
Just not around here.
All right. making some batter out of the Tailor we caught today. We're going to deep fry it. Alright, a bit of whiting. So I had a mad day, and now I'm making some fish and chips. So I've just battered the fish, some Tailor and whiting in there, and then we'll throw that in. Alright, throw the fish in. And that's it, fish and chips, bit of lemon. Thanks for watching, see you next time.